not with the shits, no shifty shit. We ride with this stick.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Big update for the channel and for the truck. Finally got my wheels in. It took about 5.5, 6 weeks. So when all these companies tell you that it's only a 3-week wait, it's not, unless they're already in stock. But anyway, awesome set of wheels. I'll let you guys check them out real quick. I'm not going to put them on the truck today. I got some more suspension stuff I have to do before I can get them on. But completely satisfied with them. The finish is awesome. Best looking wheel I've ever had. Glad I went with JTX. But here we go. I'll let you see them. All right, guys. I went with a 24x14 JTX Chrono. I believe that's what they're called. On an AMP 33 1350 24. Never ran AMP tires before. I've heard a lot of good things about them, so I'm going to try them out, see how they are. Full billet, everything, floaters. This wheel is immaculate. Best finished wheel I've ever looked at in person. Straight from the box. Back of the wheels, gorgeous. You could no milling marks, no anything. Absolutely perfect. I want to shout out to Standout Specialties out of Lancaster, PA, for hooking me up, get me all situated with everything, and yeah, here they are. They'll be on the truck probably, hopefully this weekend. Whenever you guys see this, I'll have a video and everything out, but I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on what's going on. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it.